Umfundisi uLydia Malete utshela ikhomishana ukuthi wasa ingane kadadewabo esontweni ngoba wayefuna ukuba ithole usizo njengoba yabe ihlukunyezwa kakhulu isoka layo ngaleso sikhathi. Uthi ingane yayinokhwantalala nanokuthi yaba sengozini yemoto ihlala ekhala ngobuhlungu bentamo.
I took her to the church so that she can be prayed for, so that she can be able to stand on her feet again and face the challenge.
Ubuze ukuthi umbishophi kungabe ungumngani yini womndeni wakhe. Uthe umbishophi usondelene kakhulu nobaba wakhe uMalete.
They are very close. They are very close. They are now, we are taking him as our brother.
Uqhube wathi uBongi akaze amtshele lutho ngokuthi wake wahlukunyezwa ngokocansi umbishophi.
No. She did told me about other sexual, I'll call it rapes. She did while she was still staying with me. Bongi disclosed lots of rapes that she encountered in her life.
Uthi wezwa ngo-2012 okokuqala ukuthi umbishophi uthathe uBongi wahamba naye. Uthi uBongi wamtshela ukuthi omunye umfana omhlukumezile. Wezwa komunye umsakazo ukuthi uBongi uthe wahlukunyezwa umbishophi. Uthi wacela uBongi ukuthi aye koxolisa kumbishophi emhlanganweni aye nawo nomndeni wabo.
I went to Tati Bishop, I called him. Tati Bishop said, Bongi spoke about me on Theta FM. If she want to resolve this thing, he must go back to Theta FM.
Ebuzwa ukuthi kungabe ubani okhuluma iqiniso phakathi kwakhe noBongi, uphendule wathi,
who's truthful between you and Bongi?
It's me.
Why?
Because I know Bongi, she has never said anything, any bad thing about Archbishop.
Uthi wambuza uBongi ngezinsolo azibeke umbishophi.
I was taking my CD to be promoted at Theta FM. It's where I found that it was these allegations about Tati Bishop. And when I arrived there, they twisted everything and we were paid.
Isicabo siyaqhubeka.